Now we have exercise E. Fill in the blanks with a suitable preposition given below each sentence. Okay. Number 1. The Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam migrated dash Makkah to Medina in 622 AD. Now we have 4 options: between, from, after, and into. And what we are going to insert here? The Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam migrated from. Number 2. Abu Jahl dash a fit of fury headed towards Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu's home. Again we have 4 options here: with, after, in, and into. So what we are going to insert? Yes, we are going to insert the preposition in. Number 3. He began knocking dash the door violently. So we have 4 options here: at, on, into, and about. And we are going to insert he began knocking at the door violently. Number 4. At this, she instantly ran dash a corner of the home. And we have 4 options: into, through, to, towards. And what we are going to insert here? We are going to insert the appropriate preposition. At this, she instantly ran towards a corner of the home. Number 5. She has resolute faith dash Allah Almighty. We have 4 options: of, in, at, to. So she has resolute faith in Allah Almighty. Number 6. She gave dash all money to the poor and the needy. Again we have 4 options: out, through, in, and away. And the appropriate preposition would be she gave away all money to the poor and the needy. And this very phrase means, gave away means distributed. Number 7. Her life would always be a beacon dash light for all of us. 4 options here: in, of, with, into. Her life would always be a beacon of light for all of us. I hope you have understood.